I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your carrier supports Esim for the Galaxy Watch 7 and that your plan allows an additional line. Once done, make sure your watch has more than half battery and your phone has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. This stabilizes pairing. Install and open the Galaxy wearable app. Make sure both the phone and watch are on the latest software so the provisioning process won't fail. Now, in the app, tap Add Mobile Plan to start scanning the carrier QR code or enter details manually. You scan the carrier QR code or type the activation code into the Galaxy wearable app. This kicks off the provisioning sequence. During this step, the carrier may require you to accept terms or choose plan options. Follow their prompts closely. Make sure you keep devices near each other because Bluetooth and internet access coordinate activation. The watch or phone may restart. That's normal. Once the app shows the mobile plan active, verify signal bars on the watch and perform a quick call or data test to confirm connectivity. You finish by enabling cellular on the watch under Settings, Connections, Mobile Plans, then run simple tests. Place a call, send an SMS, and load a web page to confirm data. Make sure call and message preferences reflect whether you want calls to ring on the watch or stay on your phone. If something goes wrong, try toggling airplane mode, rebooting both devices, and restarting the provisioning in the Galaxy wearable app. If it still fails, contact your carrier and provide the watch IMEI for account-level troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.